How much time do you spend each day making sure your campaigns and channels are performing as expected? Now imagine that you could use that time to focus on new initiatives and strategies rather than always trying to keep your finger on the pulse of marketing. Hi, my name's David. In this short video, I'll show you how AI-powered smart alerts can immediately inform you if there are any anomalies in your KPIs. By allowing you to act immediately, you have a key advantage which can prevent a significant loss in revenue. Let's have a look how. A sudden increase in out-of-stock products can have a significant impact on your future revenue. By measuring and analysing this metric, it can be caught before it becomes an issue. Instead of looking at these stats daily or even hourly, you could be using smart alerts to let you know as soon as an anomaly occurs. As a key module in Mapp Intelligence, smart alerts are really simple to set up. First, we need to choose the metric we want to measure, and in this case, we will select out-of-stock products. Next, we need to know the names of the products, or smart alerts can automatically track the top 10. This will help you identify the products where the rate is increasing. In this case, we will also configure the alerts to only include the views of visitors that came through a paid acquisition channel. Traditional alerts monitor thresholds, percentile, or absolute changes. Smart Alerts is different. It produces an acceptable threshold corridor from values that were tracked in the past. All data that lies outside of this corridor is considered a significant change. It will do all of this while also taking into account seasonality, for example, weekday or month. We next need to set the sensitivity to adjust how far outside the corridor the data can lie before it triggers an alert. In our case, we should select very high. The last setting is the frequency to determine how often an alert is checked. Because of the importance of that metric, we should choose hourly. In the alert information section, you can enter a name, the recipient's email address, and add additional notes to inform the recipients about the reason of the alert and the next steps that should be taken. The last thing to do is click on save and relax. The smart alerts will now be covering your back. As soon as an anomaly is detected, smart alerts will send an email to the recipients defined in the settings. The message will clearly show you which out-of-stock products are being viewed by users that came to your website through a paid campaign. The alert will also include historical data so that you can see how long the problem has been occurring. AI-powered smart alerts will automatically inform you when something important happens in your data. They'll allow you to quickly recognise whether there are issues with your website, such as out-of-stock products, and you'll never miss an anomaly again. I'll see you soon with some more marketing tips.